Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a selfie stick made by CamSafe. Now, this is an interesting stick and it's got some good features. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, you can get this from Amazon. This is the selfie stick tripod, all-in-one 45-inch extendable phone tripod, stand, selfie stick, wireless remote, compatible with different types of phones. And it's $19.99. Get it on Prime. Sounds like it's got some good features. Flexible, pretty versatile, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this and see what it's all about. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, we're gonna take this out of the box. Pretty plain box, a little bit of inscription on there, innovation for life. Nothing much else on the box. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Pretty simple packaging, so not too hard to get out of there. Now, this comes with a few items. You got your holder for your device that'll hold your phone right there. It's not too bad. I've used these before. It's got the 1/4-inch screw there for mounting on a tripod, but in this case, you put it on the selfie stick. That's how you adjust it right there. Should be whole average size cell phones. I'm not sure if it'll hold a real big cell phone, but we'll check it out. Now, you also have the tripod, the pod itself, the selfie sticks, and it has a carry bag right there. Pretty cool. That's always nice to have that. Go ahead and take that out, and you have the tripod selfie stick inside. Nothing else inside the package there. And here it is right here. Not too bad. As you can see, you have the attachment there. That's the remote. So you use that to take pictures when you're doing your selfie cam right there. So that's pretty cool. It just kind of attaches to the leg right there, so you can hold on to it. That's the button for the shutter button right there. That's the on-off button right there. Now here's the tripod feature right here. When you spread these legs here, you can actually use this as a tripod. And that's the adjustable stand right there. So you pull that down a little bit to kind of get it flat and level to make it stay there. And you set this on top so you can set your phone or your device on there to actually record or take pictures or whatever you want to do in a tripod mode. Now, as you can see, this is adjustable. You can, swivel it forward and backwards. It has the mechanism, the screw mechanism to tighten up everything when you need to hold it in place. That's pretty cool. And it's fairly sturdy. And I think this will work well for your, minor record. Now, this tripod is built pretty well for the price. It's got a little metal feel around that area where the hub is, and the entire stick is made of a little light aluminum. And I think it'll work in most applications, except if you put a heavy device on the very end, you might run into some problems. But this grip area right here, you hold that together, and that's how you grip it. And you put your device in the end right there, and you can extend it if you need to and adjust it as you see fit. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you have a device inside of it. Now, this clamp is not that big, so it might be a stretch to get a big phone in there. I haven't tried one yet. This is an iPhone 11 Pro right here, and this is what you're going to have. Now, it'll probably fit this Note 10 Plus with a case, but it's going to be a stretch. The good thing about it is you can unscrew this and put another clamp on if you want to get a bigger device if you need to. Okay, so that's the good thing about this. Okay, so this is the remote. You charge this with a regular micro USB charger. When you plug it in, you're gonna get a red light, and that red light will actually turn blue when you try to pair it with a phone. Now, I wanted to show you what the blue light looked like when you turn this on. So when you hit the switch and you turn it on, you got an on-off switch right there, as you can see. Once you push that on, you get the blinking light right there. That means it's ready to pair. Okay, once you get your device ready and the remote ready, you can see the blue light flashing is ready to pair. And you're gonna find it. It's gonna come up as U-Tang right there. And you go ahead and hit it, and it's gonna pair up with the device. Pretty simple. Okay, here's a test sample. Press the shutter button, and you get the picture right there when the light flashes. So works pretty well. Here's the picture right there. No problem. Works great. I wanted to show you this extension the tripod or the stick when it's extended. You see this end right here is pretty thin. When you extend it all the way out, you got to be careful, because if you put something too heavy there, that might put too much stress on that. So got to be careful with that. All right, wanted to show you that. But it extends out pretty nicely. And it feels pretty good for the most part. Pretty long extension as well. Okay, so we just took a quick look at the CamiSafe selfie stick / tripod remote camera. You got this remote right here. You got your placement for the camera and the tripod in the carry bag. Pretty nice setup, very inexpensive, and I think it's got good functionality. If you got any questions, hit them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.